Hey, it's Gary. Let's imagine something wild for a second. What if gravity on Earth suddenly doubled overnight, twice as strong? Suddenly everything changes. Life, landscapes, even our dreams of exploring the stars. First up, think about how you feel right now. Pretty normal, right? Now double your weight. Every step takes twice the effort. You'd get tired climbing stairs and forget about jumping or running the way you're used to. Athletes would have a pretty rough time breaking records, that's for sure. Now let's talk about life itself. Remember those towering trees? Nope. With gravity doubled, they'd have to evolve to be short and stout just to keep from collapsing. Picture forests that look more like giant broccoli patches than the tall, leafy canopies we know. And what about animals? Anything tall and slender would struggle to survive. Giraffes, maybe gone. Elephants? They'd need even thicker legs. Most creatures, us included, would evolve to be compact and strong. If you ever wished for super muscular legs, you'd get them, out of necessity. But here's the really wild part. Birds and insects. Flight? Pretty much impossible. Wings wouldn't be strong enough to lift even the smallest birds. Imagine a sky with no birdsong, no buzzing bees, no butterflies. It'd be a much quieter world. Now, if gravity was always twice as strong, humans would have evolved differently too. Our bones would be thicker, our muscles bulkier, and we'd hunch closer to the ground. Even our buildings would look different. Shorter, sturdier, built to resist the crushing force. But it's not all bad news. There's one area where this new gravity could actually push us forward: space exploration. With Earth holding us down so much, we'd have to get extra creative to escape. Rockets would need to be twice as powerful just to break free, sure. But this challenge might push us to invent better technology, sooner. Maybe we'd be reaching for the stars faster, just to get away from our heavy home. So, what if gravity was twice as strong? Life would be shorter, tougher, and a lot closer to the ground. Birds wouldn't fly, trees wouldn't tower, but maybe, just maybe, we'd look up at the stars and dream even bigger. Thanks for joining me on this trip through a heavier Earth. If you like these what-if scenarios, hit that subscribe button and let's keep imagining together. Until next time, stay curious.